Hi, my fellow TIs. Look at my face. It's all swollen. It's like 5:30 or something right now. I woke up at 4:20. The pain woke me up. Tasting metal and shit. Came out here to the balcony. Smoked a couple cigarettes. Oh, I'm getting sharp pain. Smoked a couple cigarettes. You know how I told you this shit makes me thirsty. It also makes my cat thirsty and hungry. It's irritating when you go to lay back down and shit, and you feel the pain just creeping, and it's 4 something in the morning, and your cat's just lapping away and freaking eating and shit, and I can't see to clip his nails, and I can't find the nail clippers, so all you hear is tap, 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 in the quiet and in the dark, because, like I said, I only have one outlet in my lamp, my skateboard lamp that my friend made me use, hanging on a whole different wall. But couldn't go back to sleep. Too painful. So, it's 5 something in the morning, probably about 5:45 a.m. So, I guess I'll wait. Go down to the bakery. And get me, hopefully they have oatmeal. Something to coat my stomach. I'm so tired of sweets. I need some regular food. But it's hard to cook when you don't have no plumbing in the kitchen. And you don't have no outlets. Except for one in one room, which is the kitchen and where I sleep and everything, and one in the bathroom. And it's hard to pick up because I'm always in pain. It's hard to clean up that place because I'm always in constant pain when I'm in that apartment. But, like always, I'm in good spirits. I just gotta take a few deep breaths, maybe listen to a silly song, go get me some oatmeal, put something in my stomach, and go on. And maybe go down the street and go take a nap in somebody else's bed. I shouldn't have to do that. Pay $900 a month. I shouldn't have to do that. I'm grateful to have a roof over my head. I see all these homeless people sleeping on the streets. But where I live, it's killing me. They're killing me. But I just have to take comfort in knowing I will be going to the doctor soon. And they will be taking my blood. And they will be, I'm almost positive, sticking me in that freaking tube with all the lumps I have from this radiation and crap and all the stuff I've been through. Most likely they'll stick me in that freaking tube, which I hate. I haven't been stuck in those tubes for about 6 years. I hate those things. Sorry, I don't hate. I love, but I strongly dislike those things. It's like I don't know, it just reminds me of being in a coffin and being buried alive. Fuck. It hurts. Just had a sharp pain. And I taste metal. My whole body hurts. But God give me strength. God bless my health. And keep me alive long enough to complete my journey and get what I need to get done. You know, they know that it would be in their best interest to stop all this shit. But it's okay. I hold no animosity and I hold no anger. You know, everybody gets angry. If you're human. And, yeah, I get angry at times, but then I remind myself. You know, technically it only takes, you know, flesh, blood, a heartbeat, veins, a pulse to be a human being. But really, to be a real human being, it takes a whole lot more. And this world is losing its humanity. I won't take it. I won't let it take that from me. I'm more human now than when I was born. I feel a whole lot more. Yeah. So, have a blessed day. And for you targeted individuals, try to stay warm. Try to stay warm. Try to stay safe. I'm thinking how cold it was. You ever you ever be thinking about something at the same time while you're talking about something else and you say it? I have a habit of, it's weird, like when I'm tapping something in, like tapping in a password or something, I'll start tapping what I'm thinking. I have to stop instead of tapping in my password. Do any of you ever do that? Yeah, it's weird. But have a good day. Try to stay safe. Try to stay out of pain. For those of you who are getting hit with the broadcasting radiation, the EMFs, the RFs, peace, love, and laughter.